So is there prophecy by the Holy Prophet or the Prophet yet to be fulfilled?
Prophecy, there's so many. For example, the Muslim told us that Ahmadiyya would spread like the particles of sand in Russia. So that is yet to be fulfilled. And also the ultimate victory of Ahmadiyya, so that Islam becomes victorious over all the rest of the religions. That is a prediction of the Holy Quran, plus the prediction of the Muslim of Islam, because it was to be fulfilled in this time. That is yet to be achieved. And you will only get closer to this ultimate fulfillment if you start working yourself, if you start individually moving in that direction. If Ahmadis do not preach and wait for all the distance to be covered, one fine morning, and expect that we will become victorious because it is predicted, this is just living in a dream. You will become victorious out of all proportion to the effort put in, that I agree. But not if no effort is put in. Some effort has to be put in, the part of Ahmadiyya. And that is that each Ahmadi should become a missionary. If he becomes a missionary, however difficult and remote the ultimate goal may appear, this prediction will help us. And Allah's forces, unseen forces, will act in our favor and promote our efforts, with the result that inshallah one day all these prophecies will be fulfilled. So do your best and expect the rest to be done by Allah.